To make earthing, a 2 to 3 meter hole is dug in the ground near the house. A thick copper plate, roughly half meter by half meter, is placed in the hole. This is welded to a thick copper rod. The plate is covered with a mixture of charcoal and salt to make good connection with earth. The copper rod is protected by a hollow insulating pipe to safeguard life in soil and accidental touching by humans. The plate and rod are then buried in the ground. The copper rod is connected to the house and is called the earth. Electrical power from substation is supplied to house through a live wire and a neutral wire. This is a schematic of an electrical circuit with an appliance in the house. Here, there is no earthing. The live wire carries current from the source, example the battery, to the appliance, and the neutral wire carries it back to the battery. But in a faulty appliance, if the circuit comes in contact with the metal body, it causes an electric shock to the person touching it. To prevent this, the metal casing is connected to the earth wire. Now, if there is a fault in the appliance, the electric current flows from the metallic body into the ground or earth. This prevents electric shock. In an electric plug, we have a live, a neutral, and an earth connection. These make connection to the appliance and also to the mains.